In this video, I just wanted to go over the 4 basic data types. By no means are these the only data types in programming, but I feel like these are the 4 basic ones you need to know to get started writing code. So, without further ado, let's get straight into it. Right, so before we begin, let's just go in and reset our timer back to 2 minutes. And there we go. Right, so in this video, I just wanted to go over some 4 basic data types. So what I mean by data types is how data is stored in a variable. And it'll make more sense once we go over it, but you can have it as either text or numbers, and there are technical terms for these. The 4 data types we're going to cover are, let me just put a comment, so just ignore all the syntax highlighting other than comments here because I'm just using the IDE to explain things. So the 4 data types we're going over are strings, integers, floating points, and booleans. So let's go over strings first. Strings are basically literally a string of texts, and we contain them in either single quotes or double quotes. So anything we type in here is a string. That is a string. This is a string. Anything that goes within this is a string. Moving on quickly to integers. Integers are any kind of whole number. So that is an integer. This is an integer. 1 is an integer. 2 is an integer. Anything like that. Now moving on to floating points. Oh, misspelling, sorry about that. Floating points are numbers with decimal points, so 21.2 and 34.6, anything with a decimal point. Finally, booleans is true or false. So we'll use these later, but essentially booleans are just true or false. Right, so that's basically the 4 basic data types I want to cover. Any questions, issues, or queries, just leave them in the comment section and I'll do my best to get back to you. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.